Hello viewers, welcome back to our new video. Today we are going to learn about creating a Facebook lead generation ad. Facebook lead ad is an ad type you can purchase through the Facebook for a business platform. Instead of sending users to a landing page where they fill out a lead form on your website. Facebook lead ad allows potential customer to access your offers without ever leaving the Facebook app. Now let's see how to set up a lead ad. Open Ads Manager tool for the business page. Next, you will see a screen asking for your ad campaign objective. Click Lead Generation and the page will pull down with the next option. Name your ad campaign and choose the budget. In the next screen, name your ad, choose your business page from the drop-down menu, read through and accept Facebook lead ad terms and conditions. Set up targeting settings for your ad. You can customize the target audience by location, age, gender, language, and hundreds of other target settings. As you add in more targeting features, the ticker on the right side will show you the total size of the audience you are trying to reach. Now, save the audience list. Set the start and end date of the ad. In the next screen, again name your ad. Choose an ad layout format from the options and upload creative assets to your ad to make it stand out. Don't forget to test different creative options and layout to figure out what performs best over time. Then customize the headline, text, choose the appropriate call to action. Now it's time to set up and customize the form for your lead ad. Choose which information you want to collect from your lead ad on the Questions tab. Only ask necessary questions for your funnel. The more questions you ask, the lower click-through rate is likely to be. One benefit of the lead ad is they are completely customizable. Not only you can request common form fields such as name, phone number and email address, you can also ask open-ended questions. Give the link to your company's privacy policy since you are collecting user information. Finally, you are ready to customize the thank you screen. Insert your website link in the option so the user can visit your site after submitting the form. Check the complete ad to make sure all of your work look like it should be. Click confirm to submit your ad for review. Facebook will review accordingly and run it. Okay guys, I hope you all understood how to set up a Facebook lead ad. Thank you for watching.